Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how you can find your Telegram user ID or username on the Telegram app. So there are two different things. One, people say user ID for the username, which is very convenient to find. The other thing is the user ID. So finding the user ID might be a little bit tricky, but I'll show you how you can follow the complete process. So for the username, what you need to do is just open your Telegram app, and on the left hand side, you can see on the top, we have three lines, right? So let's click on it. And after that, just click on the settings. And here, as you can see on the second, in the account section, first we have the phone number, second we have the username. So just click on that and you will find the username here. Also, you can change your username, whatever you like, and you can also use the underscores, numbers, whatever. So you can change it any way you want. So for example, I'll change it to this and click on tick. So this is how you can find and customize the username. Now, the other thing what you can do to find your actual user ID is very simple as well. Just click on this three dashes right here and click on the contacts. And from here, just right, we need to search for a bot. So just write here raw underscore data underscore bot. So I need this one, raw data bot @ raw underscore data underscore bot. So let's click on this and click on start here. And once you click on start, it will show you your ID. As you can see here down here, this is my user ID. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can locate your Telegram user ID this way. I hope you find this guide useful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. Also, if you want to learn more about Telegram, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.